What's going on, guys? Back in the channel is MoneyMarrowTech. Today on channel, we're checking out some headphones that I believe is underrated and definitely has surprised me nonetheless. Right here is the Soundcore Space 2 by Ankers, and I've been using them for about a couple weeks now, everywhere. Where I'm in the house, doing outings, wife and kids and stuff, or even the gym. I even got new PR with this one as well. And guys, these right here are gonna cost you not even $300, $400. They're gonna come at a price at $130, and these sound amazing. I even left my Sony XM6 at home because these headphones have definitely surprised me during my testing and definitely deserve a consideration if you're out in the market for new headphones. Let's go ahead and review and see what you get in the box and check them out right now. All right, guys, Soundcore Space 2 by Anker, okay? Now, like I said before, price on bad boy is gonna be $129. You have 3 colors to choose from. You have jet black, linen white, and sea foam green, all right? Interesting colors, doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and get into it, all right? Off the bat, we have the headphones, okay? All right, I'll get to that in a minute. So you got some everything's in a box on one spot, which is pretty nice. Okay, right here you have a nice little Soundcore bag for your headphones to put in when you're done with it, because it does fold up nicely, all right? What else we get here? We get a auxiliary cord, all right. Type-C charging cable, a little small one, and manual. All right, guys, now first impression of headphones, these look very solid, okay? They definitely did not cheap out on material. I'm really digging this matte feel design all the way around the headphones. Look really good in the hands, all right? Now, you do have the nice 90-degree rotation around the earmuffs. It does adjust for bigger heads, all right? The headband itself, very soft, very comfortable. The ear cups are soft as well. See that recoil go back for the memory foam. Inside the left ear cup right here, you have that sensor. Here will allow you to have that auto pause feature that you get in them high end, okay? So you take the bad boy off, it's going to auto pause your music, put it back on, it will resume music, okay? Not bad for a price of $129, okay? Right here on the side here, you have your multi-control button, so be able to cycle between your active cancellation, transparent mode turn off, your Bluetooth button / power button, Type-C button, and your auxiliary port. If you run out 70 hours of ANC turned off or 50 hours, plug it up for 5 minutes, you get 4 hours of playback time, which is plenty enough juice if you're going to the gym, up the street, plug it up real quick, you're good to go, all right? Right here on the side here, you have your pause and play button, which also double as your voice assistance, and your volume up and down button also double as your next track and previous track, all right? Let's go ahead and hop into the application and check it out right now and see what we're dealing with. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and walk through the Soundcore application for the Space 2. Very self-explanatory. Let's go ahead and walk through it real quick. You have an ambient sound, you have noise cancellation, normal mode, transparent mode. Now for your noise cancellation, like I said, these here perform very well, okay? The gym environment is good. Outings with my wife and kids is good. You know, I took us to the kid places for the main event, Kid Mania and stuff with my kids and stuff, let them play, and these does a million job blocking out all that noise, okay? Your transparent mode is kind of robotic, but not too terrible, okay? It's not terrible enough where like, oh, I sound like a robot and stuff. It sounds decent enough. Normal is normal, okay? You have your sound effects after that. You got your 3D sound, pretty much will give you more depth in their AI system to give you better quality. Then you have their hearing ID. What you're gonna do is gonna test your hearing, and you give choice between A and B to choose from which one is gonna sound better to you and how it sounds. Then you got your defaults, pretty much different EQs to choose from. You got plenty of EQs to choose from what you want to. Then you have customize your bands, name it 1, 2, 3, and then you're good to go. After that, you have your controls, very easy to use, very simple. I do love that these headphones come with very simple layout and buttons, okay? Sometimes it can be overwhelming to have headphones that have the touches, pads, and the swiping and stuff. Soundcore said, no, we're gonna make it very simple, give them buttons, okay? So like I said, the volume up and down, pause and play, very simple to use. You have your noise cancellation button, cycle between the 3 modes, which is noise cancellation, transparent mode, and normal mode, right? If you want to turn one of them off, you can. Do you have double tap, turn on extra bass and more wow factor? Do you have your multi-function button, pretty much allow you to choose if you want to use the integrated voice assistants in your phone, the Anker voice assistants, AI translator, and nap mode or none. So nap mode is decent enough. Pretty much think of as listening to white noises. So whether that's your ocean, grasses, raining noise, that's gonna turn that mode on and give you that more of a zen, relaxing sensation and stuff. The Anker voice assistant is decent, and the AI translator, for this to work, you must use the phone as well. You can't just use the headphones to translate to different languages. You gotta go with the application that's gonna be on your phone, okay? And then long press to reject calls and tap once to answer or deny phone calls. Then we're gonna talk about nap mode, time off, pretty much gonna time off, turn off the headphones, not using it. And then you have more settings here. You got your wear detection and stuff. So like I said, on the left ear muff right here, you have your sensor here. So here gonna allow you to auto play your music. But side note, if you do take off your right ear muff, the music will still go because the sensor is not on this right ear muff, it's only the left one. So if you wanted to keep playing music, just take off the right ear muff. If you want to pause the music altogether, take off the left one, it will pause it. So you put it back on, it will resume, okay? You got your sound mode, pretty much allow you to go to LDAC support if you want to use it for Android. If not, you can use the regular settings. And then you have your prompt sounds, pretty much giving you the feedback on low battery life and when you're switching to different modes, whether that's cancellation, transparency mode, or normal and stuff. And then AI chat settings and stuff, dual connection, it does support dual connection, power off settings we talked about in your manual guide. Pretty much very simple layout for Soundcore application. I like the fact they have a lot of EQs personally, my favorite, but other than that, very simple. Let's go ahead and talk about the specs. All right guys, here's the audio test of right now the gym environment. You hear it's pretty loud, playing some hip hop music in the gym. Now I'm about to turn on the Soundcore Space 2 headphones. All right guys, now this is how the microphone sound. You just sound in the same place, same environment. I have my phone on the screen recorder right now so you can see everything in real time. This is how the audio sound right now comes to the microphone. All right guys, here's another audio test right now. So you see me walking away from the gym. Now the headphones had nothing to bounce out from the music and stuff. Now I can just totally focus on my voice, amplify it perfectly and stuff. Now I think it sounds way better than trying to muffle the background noise from the music from the gym stuff. So comment down below, does it sound really better? Now when it comes down to headphones, I must have headphones that give me amazing noise cancellation, where I can zone out and be able to lift heavy weights without any distraction, and the Soundcore Space 2 delivered just that. Now let's talk about sound quality, because Soundcore Space 2 definitely deliver enjoyable listening experience right out of the box. You're getting amazing punchy bass, clear vocals, and enough detail to keep you listening all day. And on top of that, you have the EQs, settings, and application that allows you to go even further with the bass, vocals, and balanced sound sensor. Even more options for movies, YouTube videos, and podcasts and everyday listening. The headphones definitely perform very well throughout my testing. Another major selling point for me is going to be the battery life. This is where the Soundcore Space 2 really shine at. You're getting up to 50 hours of listening time with ANC turned on, and a total of 70 hours when it turns off, which means you get multiple days on a single use. And even you got to reach for a charger, 5 minutes of charge time will get you back up to 4 hours listening time, which is perfect, enough of energy to go to the gym, school, or work, or even get ready for a trip down the road. Overall guys, the Soundcore Space 2 definitely has a value of affordability, comfortability, battery life, noise cancellation, and all around a solid headphones for this price point. You can't go wrong with this one. I'll leave a link down below for easy access. I am MoneyMarrowTech. See you guys next time.